friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Fiona and I'm a full-time artist. And on this channel, I like to take you with me on my artistic journey, whether that means working on projects here in my studio, going out to see art exhibits, buying art supplies and sharing my haul with you, basically any art related content. So if that sounds like something you're into, please like and subscribe. It's one free click for you, but makes a big difference for my channel. All right, friends, I have a gigantic matcha from Starbucks today for that energy because today is the day we start holiday. So if you're not familiar, my brother and I, we have a little ceramic business. We have our own wheel, our own kiln. We do everything in-house. And every year we do an annual holiday sale. So there's some items that we have every year. We always have ornaments, some earrings and vases, little ring dishes. So there's stuff that we always do. And it's currently September 7th. So a little later than what I would have liked to have started for holiday. I did do some planning in August, but the only stuff that I've made has been coil building, which I'm not even sure is going to end up in the holiday shop, if I'm being completely honest. But today, it's a Saturday, woke up and decided today's the day. We're going to get holiday started. And so the first thing we're going to start with is ornaments, because we know that's absolutely going to be in the shop. So we have some porcelain downstairs. I'm going to go grab that. We're going to get set up and we're going to start making ornaments. And in regards to this video, I'm going to take you along on the holiday journey. So we'll see what happens. I don't know if it will be one video. I don't know if it will be multiple videos. I'm sure editor Fiona will put a note here and let you know. But I'm excited. I'm ready for planning for holiday now. And it's always my favorite time of the year. Let me know if you guys are holiday fans or if you fear the holidays. I'm a fan. So excited to get into it. And I'll take you along on that journey. So let's do this. Ooh, I'm excited. All right, friends, it was a productive afternoon. Lots and lots of ornaments here. And then I went ahead and made some brush rests. So this was an idea from Kathy here on YouTube. Thank you for that. So we're gonna give it a shot. We'll see what happens. I mean, they could also be chopstick rests, I suppose. I was thinking like that little one. But anyway, we're gonna get these covered up, let them dry a bit, and we'll see what gets made another day. See you then. Good morning, darlings. It's a new day, and Zelda is knocking around the loudest ball ever. So this is the noisy ball here, the culprit. Really quick, because otherwise Zelda will go nuts. There has been some developments since I last started recording for the holiday shop. So I'll start with, I finished my sketchbook. So this is done. I'm gonna scan these so I can make a postcard. And then the other thing is my mom and I found out that our application for a winter chalet got accepted. So this is like a small holiday market in Princeton because there's only 4 chalets, but the whole town gets like outfitted for the holidays. Like, it is a vibe. It is super cute. So my weekend that I'll be vending is the first weekend of December. So this is wonderful, but it means we have to make a lot of stuff because I want to do the shop, online shop launch, and then also the physical space. So I have a bit more to plan now than I originally intended, but I keep reminding myself it's a lot lower lift than doing something like other art fair. The investment in the space is not even a quarter of as much, and it's like, you know, in town. So it's not like I'm going to be hauling everything there. But with that said, I want to make it amazing, and I love the holidays. It's going to be such a vibe. It's going to be fun. I want to try and sync my online shop with what's happening in the physical space, and yeah, I just want to make it as cute as possible. But you know, my mom and I, we went out, we had something to eat, and we made plans for like what our product line's going to be, and then she injured her wrist, so she can't currently make anything at this moment. So that's kind of what's going on there. So the ceramics are on hold for the time being, but I'm gonna get this scanned so I can get like the postcards and stuff ready, and we'll take it from there. Yeah. Zelda's birthday was yesterday. She turned 4. She's very unhappy that I'm not letting her in the room, and she's playing with a really loud toy. So that's why she got booted out. But anyway, yeah, I should have been mic'd up for this whole thing. But I just needed to get all these thoughts out to y'all real quick. So the other thing that's been going on is I painted my bedroom. So it's green now. I'm getting a new bed delivered, so that's why the bed is on the ground. But yeah, and I realized that my scanner can't plug into my laptop, so I have my laundry bin here. I'm gonna set it up here, but yeah, the room's a bit of a mess, but it's gonna get figured out. It's a new day here. I don't remember the last time I filmed for the holiday vlog, but we had the kiln on for the ornaments and votives, so we're going to empty the kiln, see how everything came out. Aww, little ornaments. It probably needs to be sanded a wee bit. You're a wee star. Oh, I like all the clothes. The sweaters and the gloves. Last layer. Votives. Cute. Very cute. All right. So here's our first assortment. So we have ornaments, votive candles, and brush holders. So a good start. Lots of glazing that'll need to happen next.